Bharatiya Janata Party haka arpuhnya utare Kyllalyngkot arhajar arpusan kala pyllait paidbah ya kamat Treikam juga Seng lani ka Manifesto shak election MDC ka ban Shillong haka arpuwai tarik Rymphang arhajar arpusan hakani ka sngi la pyllait paidbah ya kani kamat Treikam ka Seng da state president ka Seng BJP Rikman G Monin ryngkat nongkit kam ka party ha ophis Treikam ka Seng Kular ka BJP lada wan haka bor hakani ka election MDC karkum ka Manifesto kala Kular ban pynioh ya ka tulop ki Rangbah Shnong ki Sordar ni ki khlieh nongsynsar Shnong ban jingiarap arhajar Tyngka Shibnai ki Nongbylla sngi ki nongtrei kynta ki nongniah kali kamai ki Longkmie ki ba kamai marwei ban pendap ya ka yeng ka sem ki bam don shu ulong ban sedang ya ka kam ti doyong ban kentiu ya ka kam jungokai perthei ban pene ya ka riti dustur bat kiwei de kiman.
Special occasion for Meghalaya BJP protest that we are able to gather here today, especially after me being re-elected as the state president. I welcome all the candidates of the party for upcoming MDC election and I extend my best wishes to you. May you come out with flying colors. Every election is important and this election is also very important for the party and for that reason I will like to congratulate the Manifesto committee under Dr. Bernadette Lindo as the convener that in a very short span of time she and her team were able to come up with the manifesto. I urge each candidate to make use of all the uses that party is raising and to reach out to every voters to convey the message of the works that party intends to do if voted. The task may be huge, but all candidates are now the image of the party, and that we humbly bow to the needs of the electorate through each one of you. As a political party in Meghalaya that has been encouraging our grassroots caricatures to take party activities seriously so that we are able to serve the weakest section of the society, and there is no doubt that if we use our intention and skills efficiently, we will win any election in the state of Meghalaya. Before I conclude, I would like to extend my best wishes to our Honorable Prime Minister, Sri Narendra Modi ji, that under his leadership, our country is moving forward. Once again, I thank each one of you and God bless and you win the battle. Jai Hind, God bless you and thank you.
Baga parti ka propose na kumita ng MDC. Kalong ban pynioh daga tulop. Siya khlieh nongsynsar kung ki Sordar bat ki Rangbah Shnong. Kabaar ban jingiarap arhajar Tyngka Shibnai siya ki bablasngi kung ki nongtrei kynta ki nongniah taksi ki blakla lok ki Longkmie pekerjaan delade ban Treikam ban yakan Treikam di Rangbah Shnong. Kabalai banyak pala ka khajna nagakam khai doyong ka BJP ka Kular bakan dei ban sedang nok ya ka kam ti doyong katkum ka jinta jo ka yeng ka shari pa khlieh do jo dari krang ban kil ya ka jingiarap nong jo ki council ka basau sarong ya la ka jong kanong ka wei na kilat ban kentiu ya ka kam chngok kai bat ban kentiu ya ka culture jong ka jelah kepesan ban penkhlieh ya jingai smart dawai kembat ryngkat jingiarap bat katna Sordar ka Ayush Ministry ka bahandriu bantung ya ka committee ban khlieh dunia ya ka nongtrei ya ka scheme paidbah apo ki district council ka banyo Ke district council kan pemilih ia ketenat ban kini banyak halor ke jingbai tingka nak benta ban sengkam ki samla tradi balanang asla ryngkat jingiarap lang bat ki skim ki doloi bat ki Rangbah Shnong ban bodin ya ke jing penkela ya ke khengit ban riu kenang ban penkil ya ki MDC bersyutu hapo andru benai bat ke parti kadawa bawa MDC bersyutung udai bandai usia hapo ka HDC ban wei pat udaloi ha GHDC kalau kendai ban wara daki but mai ban pen seiso yaki jabok jaban ki bami hakiman ki hima bat ki ilaka ban ai jingiarap bet naka council ban thiet igi ko ki bor ban pen sapet igi nyut bat ka besho ban wara ya ka rukam thungkam thungjam ka bakhut apo ki district council ki kini long ki mat ki baga party ka bu hakmat jong ki paidbah na ka election MDC bat ni kermen ba ki paidbah kinailat ya ka party BJP ba company lagi kam nama lada ki paidbah ki pajet ke ini ban peni ki kam tingi kepat lemba ini jing terwan bagi paidbah ke smobha ban ailat ki candidate sungi bakin punch ka thong da ka budget ya ka party da banyon ha ka sha jong tim patma lotus please